Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, today we're going to make my mom a little thing to hold her Christmas card, a Christmas card holder. So I've got some old pallet boards. Let's see what we can make for her. Okay, I've got two pallet boards here, and what I've done is I nailed them together. And I'll show it in a little video clip here, what I've done here. Nailed them together here. Put a little space in between. Now these are 52 inches long. You can make them a little bit longer. This is just what I had on hand here. And these boards are 5.5. Now if you want to, you can use fence post boards or something like that. But what we're going to need is a drill, some 3/4 inch screws, some Christmas cards, and a bunch of these little binder clips that you can buy. You can buy these at the Dollar Tree. So let me show you how we're going to do this. Determine which end is going to be the top. And what we're going to do is fasten these little binder clips here with some screws. Probably about a 1/2 inch down. You can either take your screw and make a place. Let's go ahead and screw our screw in. And take it back out. Then stick a clip on it. Most cards, not all of them, are not over 8 inches long. So that's what I'm going to go by here. So if I put this card up under here, that means I can put the next one about right there. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. And what you want to do is start at the top, put about a 1/2 inch down, stick your card on there, it's one of your longest ones, and then from a 1/4 inch, make you another mark, and just keep doing the same thing on down. Okay guys, I've got it over here at my mom's house now, and she's got some cards on it. Remember, I made it for the 8 inch cards, but you can make it any size that you want. Just remember, leave about a 1/4 inch gap in between the screws and everything for the binder clips. But there's another way. You can just take an old board. This board here is from the old farmhouse. It's probably over 100 years old, and my mom has just used some push pins on it to hold it. And you can use some thumbtacks or whatever you want, but that's another idea for a Christmas card holder. But this is a good project for Christmas, to hold your Christmas cards and everything. It don't take very much to do this. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. As always, thanks for watching, guys.